Getting to see an artist's vision realized is very rewarding. That excitement pushes me forward. I graduated from the MA program at Carleton in 2013. I always wanted to be a curator, but the practicum told me that this is where I need to be. Trying out different areas of gallery work, learning how to handle artwork. For me, the payoff, it's to engage communities and visitors who come through our doors, help them have a meaningful engagement with the art that they're looking at. I hope that we're complicating things, adding thought-provoking counter-narratives, adding a contemporary lens to something we've seen in the past, asking questions that only lead to more questions. The gallery and the artwork here is bigger than all of us. We are just the temporary stewards of this institution and this collection. But I'm very conscious of our present moment and duty that we have as curators and as an institution. My name is Rebecca Basciano. I'm a curator here at the Ottawa Art Gallery, and I've been working here for 6 years.